the first thing to start with is that it's been a very interesting 12 months, a little bit more for ZA Bank specifically, because they had about 6 months head start versus the rest. But what we've seen that despite it being relatively crowded by a number of virtual banks, what we've seen emerge over the past 12 months is that really there's 3 or 4 main contenders, right? ZA Bank with about 300,000 accounts, Mox following with, call it 130, 135,000, and then Livy and WeLab Bank having about 100,000 each. So what's essentially happened is that upon launch, they've come to market with a basic or fairly or user-friendly digital native kind of deposit or savings account transaction type feature set with the market. But this is very much a foundational type of product. So what we've seen is that they've had to iterate, they've had to expand the product use case, because essentially when users were first onboarded 12 months ago, they didn't have many different products they could use. So indeed, as you mentioned, we've seen ZA Bank kind of lead the pack now going into wealth management, but also having led the pack in offering insurance products. We see Mox also very interested in wealth management specifically. And generally the idea is that over time, the feature set becomes more rich, right? And they can build deeper customer engagement across the ecosystem.
What kind of color can you give us in terms of this shift to virtual or digital banking? Do people use one or the other, or is it a mixture of both?
It seems to be a mixture of both, because there are still, or currently the differences in use cases are not as wide as they potentially will be in the future. But indeed is that, especially specifically for the early adopters, they would try and dip their toes in, right? The onboarding process for a virtual bank is very easy, takes 3 to 5 minutes, compared to, let's say, a traditional banking system, which takes several hours or even days. And we've seen users, early adopters, dip their toes in, being attracted naturally by very interesting offerings. Mox used to have a 1% daily accrual rate. ZA Bank offers interesting rates as well. So they've been lured in, and really the idea was that they would test this product and really experience digital banking, or rather banking in a digital way. Now, the thing that the big focus is that obviously there's been a big land grab for deposits away from the traditional banks, and the virtual banks have been quite successful in doing so far. The key focus is going to be on retention of deposits over time. And really right now what we're seeing is that while customer incentives have decreased, or perhaps would have peaked last year, customer acquisition spend is still heavy, specifically as they jostle over deposits and user activity.